All right, since you understand 10 more and 10 less, you are going to get to make your own cards. That will be the playing cards for a game that we will have in Math Menu. So, to make your cards, the first thing you'll need are your index cards. And I gave you a baggie with these in them. On your blend space, the first website is going to look like this. When you first click on this website, it's going to say roll 2 virtual dice. That's what we want it to be set at because you want to roll 2 dice. And you're going to click roll dice. So since you rolled, it showed a 5 and a 2. You get to pick whether you want your card to say 10 more or 10 less than 52. So I'm going to use my marker and I'm going to first decide if I want to write 10 more or if I want to write 10 less. I think I'll do 10 less. So at the top, in my best handwriting, I'm going to write the words 10 less, 10 less, and then I'm going to write this number that I rolled, 52. So 10 less than 52. On the back, you're going to prove what 10 less than 52 would be by showing the pattern strategy and the rods and the cubes strategy. This is going to be a way for our friends to check their answer when they're playing the game. So on the back, I'm going to use my pattern strategy first to show 10 less than 52, and I want to make sure my answer is right because I want my other people to be able to check their answer and it be the right answer. So I know I'm showing 10 less than 52. So on the back, I'm going to prove what 10 less than 52 would be. So the first way I will show is with my rods and my cubes. So I started out by drawing 52. And now since I chose 10 less, I have to cross out a rod and make it go away. And I know 10 less than 52 is 42. I'll write the answer underneath and circle it. I'm also going to show it with my pattern strategy because some people might choose to use the pattern strategy. 52, cross out the tens place, make it a 4. My ones place stays the same. I also got 42. So now that I've chosen whether I want my card to say 10 more or 10 less, I rolled my dice, I wrote the number, I proved my answer with a strategy. Now my playing card is done. I'll lay it to the side. So since I did 10 less last time, this time maybe at the top I want to write 10 more in my best handwriting. Then on this website still, I'm going to click roll again. And now it says 56. If I want to try a different number, maybe I want to do 10 more than 34. My dice right here say 34. So I'm going to write 34. Now I want a way for my friends to check from the playing cards. So on the back, I'm going to solve my own problem that I created for 10 more than 34. So since I'm doing 10 more, I'm going to do 3 rods, 4 cubes, and I'm doing 10 more, so I want to add another rod. And now I have 43, I'm sorry. So I started with 3 rods and 4 cubes. I added 1 rod. Now I have 44. 10 more than 34 is 44. I'm going to also check with I had 34 with my pattern strategy. The 3 becomes a 4. The ones place stays the same. 10 more than 34 is 44. Now this playing card is done. I've used my best handwriting because remember, other people are going to see these. So you want to make sure to use your best handwriting at all times, and I'm going to put it to the side. Once all 6 of your playing cards are made and you've given our friends that are going to be playing this game the opportunity to check their answer on the back, then you may color your rods and cubes to make it look nice for the game. Have fun creating your own game for 10 more and 10 less for us to use for our math menu.